Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel. This is a part 3 of building the data duplication using AWS Entity Resolutions. In part 1 we have learned how you can able to prepare the data. So been following this workshop. So we have been prepared the data. In the second one, how you can able to do the schema mapping. In the part 3 now we're going to learn and perform how you can do the rule based mapping. So let's go and get started. So here we are now we are performing the rule based matching. So we'll be going and creating the workflow. We'll be calling it demo workflow. Okay, I will be selecting that entity resolutions database. I have a table here. I have created the schema, so I have selected the schema. We will be using existing rule. You can able to create a new rule as well, whatever you want to do that. I have already had this rule, so I've been using it. Thereafter we will be looking to select what type of matching. We will be looking to have a rule based matching. In a rule based we also have a what will be the cadence you're looking to have. Maybe you're looking to perform the manual, so every time when you wanted to run this one, we will be looking to do that. Thereafter you're having the automatic, that is more like when you're having the adding the data or updating the data input, you can able to run that matching as well. In this case we will going to run the manual. So if you see here, when I have selected, it's already created multiple matching rules. You can able to create up to 15 different rules. In this case we will be going and selecting address, email address, name and phone number. This will be our first, and this is highest highest in priority. Thereafter we are having the rule 2. You can call it any other, you can change the rule name as well. I will just keeping as a default. You can add up to 15, right? And thereafter once then it will be looking for email addresses, email address and name. Thereafter it would be looking for address, name and phone number, and then so on and so forth. So we had at the end it will be going and looking only just one attribute, that is phone number, here email addresses. Thereafter you will looking to perform the comparison. It has two comparison methods. One will be the multi-input field. This is the single input field, multi-input field, where you are able to go and combine across multiple data inputs. Here you will be having the single data input where you're looking to narrow down or looking to limit the comparison within a single input field, right? So we will be selecting the default one, which is the multiple input field. Now let's go next. Here I will be going and providing the bucket name. Entity resolutions I have selected, sorry, my bad. Entity resolution selected and provided that output rule. Let me call it a rule, maybe just output, and thereafter we will be having this rule based rule based output. So I will be calling it. Thereafter we will be going and just keeping it as it is. So this is what the field we are looking to as an output, and go next. Once done, we will be going and creating this workflow and executing this workflow. So it will be create and run. I will wait for it to get it done, and once it's done I will be able to showcase the output. Okay, I will pausing my video here, and I will be able to showcase blah blah blah. Assuming role, service role, you don't have a okay, let me go and create a new role altogether. Somehow this previous role I have some issues, so maybe we can just select new role, right? So this way it will be easy. Create and run. So this is done. So this is in progress. It will take few hours, few minutes to few hours, based on the amount of data you will be having. So we have a small data. Be able to, it will be quick, but I will be going and pausing the video. Once it's been done, we will be able to go and see the output. Okay, so welcome back. This is completed now. It took almost like 9 minutes to complete this. Processing 2878 record. It found this many of unique record, and this is where my data is being output. Let's go and see here. This is where I'm having my data. It has created a folder, call it success. I will be going and let's see. We quickly go and I look the data. This is how the record look like, right? Fair enough. So what I did here is I went ahead and I created a table which is being provided by it, pointing to create an Athena table based on the output, and And now let's go and query the data. So this is my data where I will be looking all the rule 1. You can able to go and put any other rules as well. Sorry. So let's see how the output look like. So this is our rule 1. If I go and match it, so this is my address 1. This is how I'm matching. This is my city. This is my country. This is email address. This is the first name, last name, phone number, reward ID, zip code, right? So this two records are literally it has all the matches in it. Same goes with the with a different with a different rule as well. So hopefully you got an idea that it will be going and doing the matching and providing an output for you. This is where you're able to learn how you can able to perform the rule based matching. So next we're going to learn how you can able to use machine learning to perform the same rule based machine learning to perform the entity or perform the data deduplications. If you have not yet liked my video, please do like it, and it will give me an encouragement to make more such videos. Thank you very much.